Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be comparing Airbnb versus hotels and which one is worth your money. So I'd like to point out that both Airbnb and hotels are great services, and in truth it depends on what your circumstances are and which one would suit you in that case. So here we're on the Airbnb main website, and I'd like to let you guys know that Airbnb is comparatively cheaper as compared to hotels, though hotels offer much more services than Airbnb. For example, hotels have 24/7 staff, they provide usually free breakfast, they can cater lunch and dinner, whereas in an Airbnb, everything is dependent upon you. And another fact about hotels is the fact that hotels are a known quality. They are trustworthy, they have good security, and they can be trusted to cater to your every need. Whereas in an Airbnb, I'm not saying it's sketchy, but in an Airbnb, things may tend to be upon yourself, and you need to ensure that all your items, all your belongings are kept safe and on you. So at the end of the day, Airbnb and hotels are both great services, and it truly depends on your circumstances. Airbnbs are cheaper as compared to hotels, but then again, hotels have a much wider variety of services and features. So again, it depends entirely on you. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.